Alrighty, so in order to get my new sprocket on, which I will put on in just a second and show you, I had to completely take everything apart, pull this cable that I fished through the frame out, and in order to get the sprocket onto the motor, I had to get this cable free so I could run the sprocket down all the way through to the screw point over here, whatever this is called, on the motor. So we're gonna go ahead and install the sprocket that I got. Looks like it's gonna work and fit and everything. This will be the moment of truth, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and run this through. Let me find a tripod. So we're going to take this sprocket right here. It is a 12-tooth freewheel, so it spins. Theoretically, it should go over this onto the wheel here, the hub. So we got to take this off. Basically, I had to remove everything I just did the other day. That's okay. I want it to be right. So I'm going to pull all these off. Remember, this one's first. You guys can't see that, but so then we'll take the bundle of cables I just pulled out from where the controller is. We're going to slide our gear, our freewheel, through that cable. And then hopefully this part works. Alright, so it took some fighting to get this on, but you basically slide the sprocket through the cable and then you just twist it like this. And you have to kind of smash this cable to get it to work because it is a really tight fit here. But once you get it screwed on, this cable will be pretty much free like it was. So you just do this. So you get it all the way screwed on. Be careful because this kind of will hurt you. And then there's little points. There's little indentions here, little points here. You got to take a screwdriver and then just kind of bang it like so. So take your screwdriver. I will get my rubber mallet to do this. That way it doesn't ever come unhooked. Alright. So now you should be able to get your chain on there. And you should have a working freewheel. This is the part that I was waiting for. Right here. This sprocket hits the dropout or fork or whatever this is called. Also, this cable can't go anywhere when you hook this up because of the way it sits on the post here. It has to come out this way. Like there's no other way for it to come out. There's nowhere else I can run the cable. I can't run it to the other side because there's brakes. I can't flop this. At least I don't think I can. Yeah, I can't flop it. And I don't think I could run the motor cable out anywhere. Yeah, can't run the motor cable out that way. So this does not fit the Jetson. It fits the wheel perfectly. This is the perfect size and everything. And I think I could try to spread the forks a little bit, but I still think I'm going to be off up here even if I spread the forks, because there has to be a washer on each side. This one's definitely not getting a washer. And then if I was to even get this on, this one wouldn't have a washer. So no go on pedaling with this setup, unfortunately. It's going to be throttle only, but I am going to leave the pedals on for now. And that kind of sucks because, you know, I wanted to add pedal assist, but it's not the end of the world. So now I got to pull, basically I just took everything off and undid everything for nothing at this point because it doesn't even work. So I don't mind doing that for you guys so that you know, but just know whenever you get this all squared away, unless you can find another freewheel that maybe moves in closer, I don't know, different design, this particular one does not work. I'll show you a close-up of it so you know. There you go. This is the same brand that was recommended to me by the people that sent me this motor. It's a 12-tooth freewheel, like it's been, see, YUQIU. It's really the only 12-tooth that I could find. So I think it's actually made for a Fido bike, not a Jetson. So I was really excited because I thought it was going to work, but nope. And it's not the end of the world because when I get my new controller and my bigger batteries and my maybe another motor, I'm not even going to have to worry about any of this because I won't be pedaling anyways. I'll just be cruising. So I'm going to take all this apart, put it back together, get it working again. As you can see, I got everything dismantled, and then once I get done with that, we'll be golden, kind of.